The zone between our home planet and the rest of the universe is a great unknown, full of unfathomable wonders, celestial objects so massive that they boggle the mind, and some genuinely terrible occurrences. Here are 7 of the scariest things in space. Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today we are going to talk about the top 10 mysterious space phenomena. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. Number 10. Incoming MEGACOMET. An artist's concept depicts a comparison of 6 different comet nucleus sizes, from smallest to largest. From top to bottom, P/2005 GQ5 is 1 mile, 1 P/Halley is 7 miles, C/2011 KP36 is 39 miles, C/Hale-Bopp is 46 miles, C/2000 and 2 VQ94 is 60 miles, and C/2014 UN 271 is 85 miles. An artist's concept depicting comet nucleus size comparisons. The nucleus of comet C/2014 UN 271 is 85 miles, 137 kilometers wide. Are you prepared to witness a megacomet? The appearance of the largest ever comet in our solar system in 2021 is alarming. Comet C/2014 UN 271 Bernardinelli Bernstein is 85 miles, 137 kilometers across, has an ice nucleus 50 times larger than the previous record holder, opens a new tab, and has a mass 100,000 times greater than the ordinary comet. Fortunately, when it comes closest to Earth in 2031, this monstrous snowball is expected to come no closer than 1 billion miles, 1.6 billion km. But are there any other monster comets out there? That is an extremely frightening prospect. Number 9. Collision with ANDROMEDA. A photo depicting the projected merging of our Milky Way galaxy and the neighboring Andromeda galaxy. Andromeda, barred spiral galaxy, covers the field of view in 3.75 billion years. Our Milky Way galaxy will merge with the neighboring Andromeda galaxy in around 4 billion years, with the latter appearing massive in Earth's night sky. Andromeda, the largest galaxy in our local group, may be 2.5 million light-years away from Earth, but it's on a scary trajectory. It's heading straight for and will one day crash with our Milky Way galaxy. But just before it does, it will dominate the night sky. Andromeda, thankfully, won't come for another 3 billion to 5 billion years, opens a new tab. Number 8. Catastrophic solar flare. NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory photographed a solar flare in high ultraviolet light. A flaming orange and black sphere is shown here, with a white-hot explosion going place at one point. NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory photographed a solar flare in high ultraviolet light. The sun regularly bombards Earth with high-energy particles. The planet's magnetic field usually deflects these solar strikes. However, magnetic contortions within our star occasionally realign and cause a solar flare, a sudden flash of light that hurls incredible amounts of X-rays and energy in all directions at the speed of light. As a result, navigation and communication signals may go dark. While coronal mass ejection, CME, is another possibility. This is a slow burner that launches magnetized particles into space. If the CME is aimed at Earth, geomagnetic storms would occur a few days later, potentially disrupting communications and electrical networks. The Carrington event, the most violent geomagnetic storm in human history, occurred in 1859, before the modern age of technology. If a Carrington magnitude storm struck now, it would bring an internet apocalypse. A months-long outage, according to Live Science. The likelihood of such a massive solar storm was estimated to be between 1.6% and 12% each decade. Number 7. Rogue black holes in our galaxy. An illustration of a black hole circling our Milky Way galaxy. A small black circle in the center of the image contains a visible accretion disk, a disk-like movement of gas, plasma, dust, or particles. The crushed relics of a big star that erupted as a supernova are obviously terrifying. Nothing, not even light, can escape their clutches. Looking at the first image of Sagittarius at Asterisk, the supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way feels rather safe. It is, after all, 26,000 light-years away. However, not all the black holes in the Milky Way are as far away as the monster at the center of our galaxy. There are thought to be 100 million black holes in the Milky Way, with a large fraction of them wandering through it. This year, scientists using the Hubble Space Telescope discovered a rogue black hole in our galaxy, only 5,000 light-years away from Earth, and measured its mass, 7 times that of the Sun. Number 6. Gravity waves. 3D representation of gravitational waves produced by 2 black holes in orbit. Gravity waves are distortions in spacetime predicted by Albert Einstein's general theory of relativity. Gravitational waves move at the speed of light, but they are so weak that scientists hope to detect only those produced by massive cosmic events like the one seen above. LIGO and LISA are two detectors aimed at detecting the elusive waves. Number 5. Galactic Cannibalism. Galaxies, like life on Earth, can eat each other and evolve over time. Andromeda, the Milky Way's companion, is currently feasting on one of its satellites. More than a dozen star clusters, the cosmic leftovers of previous meals, are scattered throughout Andromeda. The image above is a simulation of Andromeda and our galaxy merging, which will occur in around 3 billion years. Number 4. Neutrinos. Neutrinos are electrically neutral, almost massless elementary particles that can flow unimpeded through kilometers of lead. As you read this, some are passing through your body. These phantom particles are created in both the core furnaces of burning, healthy stars and the supernova explosions of dying stars. IceQ, a neutrino-detecting project, is embedding detectors underground beneath the sea or into a big block of ice. Number 3. A SUPERNOVA in the kill zone. An image of the brightest supernova witnessed in over 400 years. SN 1987A, an orange-red circular center is encircled by a ring of white dots, followed by a purple and red ring. SN 1987A was the brightest and closest supernova seen in almost 400 years. Another threat from space is the possibility of a devastating supernova. When a star dies in a tremendous explosion known as a supernova, anything inside a certain kill zone is wiped away by powerful radiation waves. Astronomers estimate that the kill zone stretches 40 to 50 light-years from the detonation of a supernova, and no known stars within that distance from Earth are likely to blow up very soon. However, high-energy X-rays and gamma rays from more distant supernovae can interact with Earth's atmosphere and damage the ozone layer, making dangerous ultraviolet radiation from the sun more accessible. Although one of the most famous red giant stars, Betelgeuse, is on the verge of going supernova, it is nearly 650 light-years away and thus unlikely to affect our solar system. 1987A, Saturn 1987A, was the closest supernova to Earth directly witnessed by astronomers in the last 400 years. It was discovered on February 23, 1987 in the Large Magellanic Cloud, a satellite galaxy of the Milky Way, and blazed with the strength of 100 million stars for many months after its discovery. Number 2. 154,741 extra asteroids. The Gaia satellite discovered a lot more asteroids in the solar system in 2022. There are many huge objects in our solar system, and we only know about a portion of them. It's feasible that an unknown asteroid, similar to the one that killed out the dinosaurs 66 million years ago, might extinguish life on Earth. Fortunately, thanks to ever-improving wide-field telescope surveys, we're discovering more of our solar system's space rocks every day. In reality, scientists today believe that 90% of planet-killer near-Earth objects, those larger than 0.6 mile, 1 kilometer in diameter, have been discovered, while roughly 50% of city-killer objects have been discovered. However, the European Space Agency's Gaia Space Telescope discovered this year that there are approximately 10 times more asteroids in the solar system than astronomers previously thought. The new data set contains almost 150,000 solar system objects, the majority of which are asteroids. Gulp. Number 1. The Moon's Shadow. The August 21, 2017 complete solar eclipse. A black circle. The Moon is surrounded by a ring of white light, the Sun, all on a black background. The August 21, 2017 total solar eclipse will be followed by another on April 8, 2024. A total solar eclipse is a spectacular celestial occurrence, but it can also be frightening. The sky darkens when the Moon covers 95% of the Sun's disk. The temperature has dropped. A cool breeze blows over you, every hair on your body stands on end. Shadows become more defined as eerie gray twilight descends. If you're standing high above a huge area, you can see the Moon's shadow racing toward you until it swallows you whole, and everything goes dark. You get a sinking feeling in your stomach. Perhaps the Sun will not return. Anyone standing in the Moon's shadow will win a naked eye view of the Sun's corona, but that haunting feeling will fade. That's a wrap on the video. I hope you liked it if you did. Let me know by giving it a thumb up, and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.